Hello, welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to meditate at your desk. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Meditation is a technique that can help provide mental clarity and focus by training your mind and developing your concentration. A consistent meditation practice can help you improve in many areas of your life, including being more productive at work. The wonderful news if you're a beginner is that meditation is a simple way to achieve the benefits, and it requires no equipment or special training. Busy days at the office can leave us feeling mentally exhausted. Countless hours sitting at our desks, hunched over a computer, firing off emails, fielding calls, and giving our attention to the tasks at hand can drain our batteries, even if we enjoy the work we do. When our reserves are low, it can sometimes be difficult to stay focused and productive. With that in mind, it's important to take breaks throughout the day, and, just for the record, scrolling through social media doesn't count. If you don't have time for a walk, maybe do some stretching exercises in your chair to release any tension. But nothing presses our internal reset and refresh button better than meditation, which is a great way to reduce both physical and mental stress. Practicing meditation exercises at your desk can help you reclaim focus, calm, and clarity anytime from morning till night. Meditation is a desk-friendly exercise. No exertion is required. All you have to do is find some peace, and sit with your mind for a few minutes. Sitting upright is the optimal position for meditation, as it allows us to find that sweet spot between focus and relaxation. Also, practicing mindfulness in the same place, and at the same time, if possible, are keys to making your mindfulness habit stick. Most of us spend a great deal of time sitting behind our desks, or in conference rooms or colleagues' offices, so having a short practice that helps you refresh your attention while at work can be beneficial. If you work in an open office, you may need to be creative to find a quiet place to practice. Before you get to the point where you feel like resting your head on your desk, recharge by adding some mindfulness to your workday with this simple guided practice to meditate right where you are. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The benefits of meditation. Meditation comes in many forms, but the two most common are concentrated meditation. You tune out everything around you and focus on a single object, and mindfulness meditation, being in the present moment to make yourself more aware of what is, not what's past or to come in the future. The positive impacts of a regular meditation practice are numerous. Meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, reduce loneliness, help you make fewer errors, help you prioritize your tasks to work faster and more effectively. Here are 5 meditations you can do at your desk. One. Breath meditation. Start by taking some deep breaths without worrying about how you're breathing. Then, start to take note of how you're breathing. Close your eyes and try to focus on nothing other than your breath. Acknowledge whether your breath is calm, erratic, shallow, deep, etc., and begin to relax into the breath. When the mind wanders and thoughts or emotions come up, take note of them, but let them be. Then, gently guide your attention back to the breath. Try not to worry about how well you're concentrating because the kind of focus will eventually come, the more you practice. Finding a breathing technique that works for you can be immensely helpful, and used anytime, anywhere. 2. Inner smile meditation. Both Buddhism and Taoism teach the inner smile meditation. It involves closing your eyes and smiling just like how you would smile at another person. Smile slightly at your jaw while letting it relax. Direct your focus to your forehead. While it may feel a little silly, the more you practice, the more it will easily become a part of your routine. 3. Body scan meditation. Close your eyes. Similar to breathing meditation, you will focus on different sensations in various portions of your body. Start by focusing on the feet. Relax and take a few deep breaths, and pretend that the only things that exist are the sensations in your feet. Concentrate on this for a full minute. Just like in the breath office meditation, take note of thoughts as the mind wanders. Then, go back to focusing on the feet. Start to move your focus up your body, repeating the process for calves, knees, thighs, belly, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, jaw, and forehead. In place of time at the office, you obviously may only have time for 1 or 2 body parts. Four. Calming visualization. What would you describe as your safe place? Perhaps a favorite beach or rope swing from your childhood? If you don't have one, imagine one. Relax and take a few deep breaths. Then, start to visualize this calming place. Make this the focus of your meditation, and acknowledge any thoughts and emotions as you continue the meditation. 5. Stretching. While stretching is not necessarily a form of meditation, simply moving your body brings you back into the present moment, and helps you focus on your body. Start by taking a few deep breaths and doing a mental check of your body. If there's a muscle that needs to be stretched, stretch it. Otherwise, begin by stretching out your arms. Take 3 deep breaths through the nose during your stretch, then release. Head rolls and shoulder rolls are other movements you can practice to limber up the joints, bring you into the body and help you release stress. Working from a mindful place is just as important as eating, breathing, and moving in one. While an office environment can be stressful, use these 5 techniques to calm your body and mind, and regain some mindfulness before your next task or meeting. If you're still unsure about when and how to meditate at work at your desk, take a mindfulness break during lunch. If you're planning to eat at your desk, make the most of it. Rather than wolfing down your meal, rushing to the next mouthful, take a minute to appreciate each bite, and feel grateful for what's on your plate. Check in with the different senses, the taste of the food, how it smells, the texture, etc. to feel more present in the body and less caught up in the thoughts in the mind. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.